Hi everyone, welcome back to Petrania Plates. My name is Petrania. If you've never been here before, make sure you click subscribe at the bottom right hand side of your screen so you don't miss a video. Today I'm outside this Thai market in Seattle called Mekong Rainier. I was just inside showing some of my friends who have never been here before some of the staple items to have in their kitchen, and they're actually looking to make a few dishes. So I show them what to buy, what to look for. We're gonna give you a little bit of a look at what a Thai market in Seattle is all about and show you what they bought today. So this is Tracie and Rob.
Hi.
And how was your first experience inside this market?
It was
awesome.
Exciting. It would have been overwhelming if it was just the two of us, but we had some good tutelage when we were in there.
So you've never been in a Thai market before.
No.
Is it kind of different than like Uwajimaya or something like that?
Yeah. It is, yeah.
Uwajimaya seems to have a lot of Japanese focus, where this is just Thai. So
Yeah,
that's
and you
also
guys like Thai food.
good. We love Thai food.
What's your favorite dish, Tracie?
I like pad ki mao.
Pad ki mao,
Yeah.
which is kind of like spicy noodles, right? And
Yeah.
then what do you like? You like pad Thai.
I love the pad Thai, yes.
So we're looking for ingredients inside for you guys to make these dishes. So let's see what you bought.
This
Yeah,
is all
so
new to us.
Yeah, there's rice noodles.
That's
So
for
the rice
pad
noodles
quinoa.
is for the pad ki mao,
Yes.
right? Because you usually use the big noodles for that.
That's
Yeah.
right. We got pad Thai noodles there.
Oh, okay, perfect. So you can get these at Thai, like any Thai market, really. Oh,
Yeah.
and you got the pad Thai sauce.
Pad Thai
Yeah.
sauce.
You didn't know
It's
they
so
make
fun.
these like
No,
already
no,
made.
we try to
No.
make it at home.
We've had
Many
some
different-
attempts.
Yeah, it never turned out. So
Yeah.
this is cool to have.
So this sauce, actually, I was just telling you guys, it's super easy, and you just put in with the noodles, and it's like already made, all the ingredients.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a couple of tablespoons. So
Yeah.
we'll eat a lot of pad Thai.
Yeah.
We're excited.
We're surprised by how easy it is too.
Yeah.
It's nice not to have to find a bunch of ingredients that's foreign to us. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right, we got
We got some fish sauce. That's staple for Thai food for sure.
Got
Coconut
some-
milk.
There you go.
Yeah, totally.
Oh
Got
yeah,
some
yellow curry.
Yellow curry.
Curries.
Because you make a lot of curry.
I tried to make curry.
Have you
so-
bought these ones before?
I have
It's
not.
like
I made it. I took a class a while ago, years
Oh.
and years ago, and the one recipe that I kind of do is yellow curry, but I have since lost the recipe and have not found
Yeah.
a good substitute.
so they make it really easy with Thai food. Like these packets right here.
Yeah.
Like I make this a lot, tom kak, and then you can put chicken or any kind of beef, but it's kind of like a curry paste, and they come in a packet, and you just mix it with coconut milk, and
We're excited.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we
Yeah,
got
some
several
sauce
of these
also.
packets.
yeah, you guys got a lot.
Yeah,
got
we're
a
gonna
lot.
give some to family members so that they
That's
can enjoy
awesome.
it
So
as
what
well.
do you have there?
Oh,
Here's
yeah.
this one.
The holy basil.
The holy basil, so you can put your holy basil that you got
Yes.
there into it.
Yeah.
You think you're
Use
using
that
that
with
as a base with the noodles too, maybe?
Right.
Not
So
just
with that-
rice.
for the rice, it's the big rice noodles with that. So we'll
Yeah.
try it. See.
So we've got a few dishes here that I think we're both excited about trying out.
yeah, and
Yeah.
it wasn't expensive either, so that was cool.
Yeah, aren't you like kind
Yeah.
of surprised by the prices? The prices
Yeah.
are pretty good.
Yeah, so for everything we got, it was $25, which
Wow.
is less than a meal out for the two of us.
Any big surprises?
No, they were very friendly and helpful inside the store.
We saw eel.
And, oh
Yes.
yes, the eel. That was a surprise.
There's eel for sale. That was a first.
And then the durian. You've never had that. We should have
No.
like a
Oh,
taste
that-
test
yeah.
where we do like crazy Thai food and see what you guys think about
I
it.
bet you can
Yeah.
probably surprise us with
Yes,
some crazy
probably.
Thai food stuff.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. So a few days after that shopping trip, Tracie sent us these pictures showing that she and Rob made the drunken noodle dish with the ingredients they bought at the store. So they did the broad noodles and the holy basil leaves stir fry with some chicken, and of course that seasoning packet they got, and they said it was actually really easy but pretty spicy. So maybe next time they can use a little bit less of the seasoning packet. But great job! I'm so proud of you, Tracie and Rob, for just going for it and trying something new.